Let's examine a new employee's experience using Emerald Software's onboarding technology. Our new employee has received a system-generated email welcoming them to the company and providing instructions for accessing the system. Clicking the link in the email, the user is presented with a logon, such as this. If English is not the new employee's first language, they can change the displayed language by clicking the appropriate flag. All languages supported by common browsers, including Far Eastern languages, can be displayed. The new employee's onboarding session is much like a wizard, with previous and continue buttons, which practically all users will find familiar. And as with most of Emerald Software's applications, all of the screens are easily styled and customized for your firm's unique requirements. Usually, the new employee will begin with a welcome message, such as this. Next, the employee can review their offer letter and accept it. This candidate was recruited using an applicant tracking system, which has been integrated with onboarding, so the employee needs only to check their data for accuracy and completeness. Emerald Software has integrated with several popular recruiting systems and can easily integrate with others, even custom recruiting systems. In this case, all the data is correct, and the only data the new employee needs to add is their mobile phone number. Note that the system automatically enforces the proper formatting of the phone number. As the new employee proceeds through the system, notice the meter providing a visual cue as to how far through the process they are. Here, the new employee adds a primary contact, such as their spouse. Required fields are highlighted in red and marked with asterisks. You'll notice that the system does not let the new employee proceed until these are filled in. On this screen, the new employee selects their state of employment. Depending on your unique business requirements, this screen may be defaulted or selected on the employee's behalf. Here, the new employee supplies their state tax withholding information as required. Emerald Software's library of state tax panels ensures that state tax form rules are properly enforced. The new employee simply cannot make a mistake. Next, the new employee supplies their work authorization information. This information will be used to populate the employee's portion of the I-9 form. The company's portion of the I-9 form is completed by another application that you'll see later. As with tax forms, the rules of the I-9 form are strictly enforced. It's worth pointing out that everything you have seen, the screens, the styles, the business rules, can easily be configured to meet your unique needs, and entire new screens and forms can be added to the system, including policy acknowledgements, benefits, and many others. No other onboarding system offers this level of flexibility. Now the onboarding system has prepared the new employee's documents and is presenting them for review. Forms are prepared as PDFs, which the user can view, save, or print as desired. Emerald's Forms technology is the purest implementation of the Electronic Signature Act available on the market, allowing the new employee to review forms in their entirety before signing them. Once the employee is satisfied with the accuracy of their forms, they can sign them by selecting them and clicking the Sign button. Emerald Software's onboarding supports both electronic signatures and popular signature capture devices, allowing you the choice of electronic signature stamps or graphical signature images. According to the Electronic Signature Act, you must inform your new employee of their rights regarding electronic signatures. This screen can be replaced with wording supplied by your legal counsel, and is another example of Emerald's strict implementation of the Electronic Signature Act. Now the employee can review their completed and signed forms. Electronic signature stamps can be configured a number of different ways, such as with different fonts and with different data. The new employee is now ready to complete their onboarding process by submitting their onboarding data and forms package. Upon submittal, data can be reviewed and approved, and it can flow into other systems such as HRMS. Forms may flow to a document management system. And finally, additional workflows may be initiated, notifying members of your organization that the new employee has completed their onboarding process.